Duffel bag, backseat.
This tip is for helping your child manage the bath. In particular, it is for the hair washing or kids who are very aversive to water on the face. There are many tricks in the playlist for this, but this one focuses on the head visors that go on the head that block water from getting right into the eye. So the visor goes over, it blocks, so it's kind of like this, and the water can run off to the side. So you can use a visor. They're relatively inexpensive. I'll put a link on otkidsmask.com so you can take a look at some of those products and their reviews, but they're really easy to use, and oftentimes it's just enough to get a kid over the hump when it comes to the hair washing piece, or for a child who's really fearful of water in the face. So if you haven't tried any of the hair visors, you can give them a whirl. Again, relatively inexpensive and real easy to use.
You're a drive real slow down.